Hi, sharing to you my latest budol from Shopee. These are comfort cards from Bakas Apparel. I think these are trending right now. So these are a series of questions to know yourself more on a deeper level. And if ever my gatherings kayo with families or friends, these are good conversation starters and to know more about each other. So let's try to answer some questions right now. Ito, first. If you can go back in time to correct a mistake, ano yun? For me, wala. Kasi I'm the type of person who believes that everything that happens for a reason. So be it a mistake or not, it happened because it has to happen. And that is for you to learn something. And with the learnings that you have from your mistakes, you can definitely use it to be a better person moving forward. Char.